Are you ready to transform your fitness journey from scattered thoughts to a strategic plan? Ever wondered how elite athletes or successful trainers organize their workouts and nutrition? What if there was a secret tool to unlock your fitness potential? Welcome to the world of fitness workbooks, an organized roadmap to sculpting your dream physique and achieving peak performance. Imagine a personalized guide tailored to your goals, routines, and progress. It's time to delve into the realm of fitness planning, discover the power of a workbook, and pave the way for a more organized, focused, and effective approach to your fitness aspirations. Make sure to stay until the end to find out the true verdict, and remember, at Beyond Living, we provide the best information and actionable and functional instructionals for all facets of healthy living, vitality, and fitness. Like, comment, and subscribe as it greatly helps the channel. Let's start establishing fitness goals. Imagine a compass pointing toward your fitness destination. Setting clear goals is that compass. Define your objectives. Is it shedding pounds, gaining muscle, or boosting endurance? The magic lies in crafting specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals. These milestones guide your journey and fuel motivation. By pinpointing your aspirations, you pave a clear path toward success. Are you aiming to run that marathon, lift heavier weights, or simply feel more energized? Your goals shape your workouts, your diet, and ultimately, your success. Stay tuned to discover how crafting precise and realistic fitness goals empowers you to conquer obstacles and transform aspirations into achievements within your fitness workbook. Creating SMART goals involves a structured approach to ensure clarity and effectiveness in goal setting. SMART stands for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Here's how to create SMART goals. Specific. Be precise about what you want to achieve. Define the goal clearly, answering the questions: what do I want to accomplish? Why is it important? Who is involved? Where will it happen? What are the requirements or constraints? Measurable. Establish criteria for measuring progress and success. How will you know when the goal is achieved? Quantify your goal if possible, using metrics like weight, time, frequency, or other numerical measures. Achievable. Ensure that the goal is attainable and realistic. Consider your resources, abilities, and constraints. Is it within your power and capabilities to achieve this goal? Is it challenging but still feasible? Relevant. Align the goal with your broader objectives and aspirations. Does the goal matter to you? Is it in line with your long-term plans and values? Make sure it's meaningful and contributes to your overall vision. 5. Time-bound. Set a specific time frame or deadline for achieving the goal. When do you want to accomplish this? Having a deadline creates urgency and helps with planning and accountability. For example, instead of a vague goal like, I want to get fit, a SMART goal would be, I will lose 10 pounds in 8 weeks by exercising 5 days a week and following a balanced diet, tracked by weekly weigh-ins. Creating SMART goals provides a roadmap for success, fostering clarity, motivation, and a structured approach toward achieving your desired outcomes. Let's start designing the workbook structure. Building a fitness workbook is like architecting a blueprint for your fitness journey. It's not just a notebook. It's your personalized roadmap to success, comprising various sections and adaptable templates. Consider structuring your workbook with distinct sections: a space for exercise routines, a section for nutrition planning, and another for tracking progress. Each section caters to a specific aspect of your fitness journey, allowing for focused planning and organization. Flexibility is key. Design templates that suit your preferences and adapt as your goals evolve. Incorporate sections for daily or weekly planning, habit trackers, or motivational pages to keep you inspired and accountable. Visualize your workbook as a canvas waiting for your creativity. Customizable sections, color-coded categories, and space for notes or reflections make it more engaging and user-friendly. Embrace digital tools or traditional pen and paper formats. Choose what resonates with your style and enhances your commitment to the process. Crafting a workbook structure tailored to your needs and preferences lays the foundation for a more organized, intuitive, and effective fitness planning tool. Stay tuned to explore how to populate these sections with actionable plans, setting you on the path to achieving your fitness goals. Here is how to incorporate exercise planning and routines. Imagine your fitness workbook as a treasure map guiding you through exhilarating workouts and fitness triumphs. Designing your exercise plans within this map is like plotting a course to your fitness treasure. Begin by crafting detailed workout plans tailored to your goals. Strength training, cardio, flexibility, and rest days. Jot down exercises, sets, reps, and rest intervals. As you progress, track your performance and tweak your routines accordingly. This ensures continual challenge and growth, preventing plateaus and boredom. Your fitness workbook becomes your workout partner, holding the secrets to your success. Documenting your routines and progress keeps you accountable and motivated. Flip through your pages and see how far you've come. The journey itself becomes a reward. Infuse creativity into your plans. Try new exercises, experiment with different workout structures, and embrace variety to keep things exciting. Personalize your routines to suit your preferences and lifestyle, making exercise an exhilarating adventure rather than a mundane task. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into populating your fitness workbook with dynamic, invigorating exercise routines, and discover how it becomes your passport to a fitter, stronger, and more empowered version of yourself. Here's how we incorporate nutrition and meal planning. Your fitness workbook isn't just a gym buddy, it's your kitchen companion, guiding your nutrition choices. Create a section dedicated to tracking meals, grocery lists, and recipe ideas. Start by logging your meals, noting portions and nutritional content. Tracking what you eat helps you stay mindful of your intake and ensures alignment with your goals. Craft grocery lists based on your meal plans. Having a well-curated list streamlines shopping, minimizing impulse purchases and keeping your kitchen stocked with wholesome options. Include a catalog of recipes, simple, flavorful dishes that align with your dietary preferences. Explore new culinary avenues while staying on track with your nutritional goals. Your fitness workbook transforms into a culinary canvas, empowering you to curate meals that fuel your fitness journey. Join us as we explore how to infuse creativity and balance into your meal planning, making nutrition an integral part of your quest for a healthier, fitter you. Now let's discuss progress tracking and evaluation. In the symphony of your fitness journey, your workbook serves as the conductor, orchestrating progress tracking and evaluation. Picture this section as the scoreboard, marking each milestone and guiding your next move. Monitoring metrics, weight, body measurements, or workout performance captures your journey's rhythm. These markers not only show progress but also reveal patterns, allowing adjustments for optimal performance. Reflect on achievements. Celebrate milestones no matter how small. Did you run that extra mile, lift a heavier weight, or resist that tempting snack? These victories fuel your motivation and determination. However, it's not just about victories, it's about lessons learned. Evaluate setbacks or challenges. What hindered progress? Use this insight to pivot and improve your approach. Your workbook isn't just a record, it's a reflection of your dedication and resilience. Flip through its pages to witness the evolution, a visual testament to your commitment and growth. Stay tuned to explore how this progress tracking aids in course correction, guiding you toward your fitness zenith. Here are some tips for using the fitness workbook effectively. Your fitness workbook is your secret weapon. Here are some strategies to wield it effectively. Consistency is key. Regularly update your workbook, whether it's tracking workouts, logging meals, or assessing progress. Consistency breeds habit and progress. Stay motivated by setting mini milestones. Break down larger goals into smaller, achievable targets. Each small victory fuels your enthusiasm for the larger goal. Adapt and adjust. If a workout plan isn't working or your nutrition needs tweaking, be flexible. Your workbook should evolve as you do, accommodating changes for continued success. Visualize success. Use charts, graphs, or motivational quotes. Visual cues reinforce commitment and inspire perseverance. Your workbook isn't just a notebook, it's a compass guiding you toward your fitness destination. Mastering its use amplifies its power, ensuring your journey is structured, rewarding, and tailored to your aspirations. Stay tuned as we unravel more ways to harness the potential of your fitness workbook for maximum impact on your fitness voyage. Make your fitness workbook uniquely yours. Personalize sections, add motivational quotes, or include space for reflections. Tailor it to fit your style, needs, and aspirations. The more it resonates with you, the more likely you are to engage with it consistently. Embrace the freedom to customize, infusing your personality into this fitness tool. Stay tuned to explore how customization elevates your fitness workbook, making it a vibrant and indispensable companion on your journey to better health. Unlock the full potential of your fitness workbook with additional tools and resources. Explore fitness apps for tracking workouts or nutritional content. Websites offer meal planning ideas and workout routines tailored to different fitness levels. Incorporate these tools into your workbook, complementing its structure and enhancing your fitness journey. From online communities for support to podcasts for motivation, an array of resources amplifies your fitness experience. Stay tuned as we uncover diverse tools and resources, empowering you to expand and enrich your fitness workbook, transforming it into a dynamic hub for your health and wellness endeavors. In conclusion, your fitness workbook isn't just a collection of pages, it's a compass guiding your health journey. Now armed with strategies, goals, and plans, it's time to put pen to paper and embark on this transformative path. Start crafting your fitness workbook today. Personalize, plan, and track your progress. It's your roadmap to a healthier, stronger you. Begin this journey with purpose and commitment. Dive into the world of fitness planning and witness the incredible impact a well-structured workbook can have on sculpting your fitness success. Your journey starts now. Create, track, and conquer.